Alright guys, we're gonna be using interior angles, the formula for measuring of polygons, and we got a real problem over here. We got find the missing angle. So over here we got a pentagon. We got 5 sides over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So that's n equals to 5. And we're trying to find the missing angle, this one over here. I don't know what it is, okay? That's an x. I don't know what it is. So the first thing I should be doing is I want to know what is the addition of all of the angles inside a pentagon. So I'm going to be using the formula n minus 2 times 180. So in this case, n is 5. That's the number of sides. So 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3 times 180 is going to give you 540 degrees. So all of the angles inside this pentagon, or any pentagon, is going to be equal to 540 degrees. So now I can set up an equation. I have 4 of the angles there. I'm missing the x, which is the missing angle. So that will be x plus 54 plus 97 plus 130 is equal to 540. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have another 130 there too. So I forgot about that one. There's 2 130s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I get my calculator, all right, and I plug in all the information. So let me get my calculator. So that's 130 plus x plus 54, so plus 54 plus 97 plus 130 equals to 411 plus x. 411 plus x equals to 540. And then we subtract 411 from both sides of the equation. And that should give you the answer for x. So minus 540 minus 411. That's 129 degrees. X is 129 degrees. Even though it doesn't look like 129 degrees, well, my drawing sucks, but that's the way to do it, okay? All right. Let's go and take a look at another problem. It says the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon is 1080. How many sides does the polygon have? All right, in this case over here, you're working backwards. They're giving you the total, the addition of all of the angles. They want to know what is the number of sides. So pause the video, see if you can figure it out. All right, so the first thing you should be doing is write down the formula. N minus 2 times 180, right? That's the formula that we use to find out the addition of all of the angles inside a polygon. All of the angles, the interior angles, okay? Make sure the interior angles. So this over here, all right, they're telling you that it's going to be 1080. So they're giving you that information. So n minus 2 times 180 is going to be equal to 1080. Now we need to solve this equation. So you can divide both sides by 180. Divide both sides by 180. Or you can use distributive property if you want to, but this is another way, a quicker way to do it. So divide both sides by 180. 180 and 180 cancel each other. And then we have n minus 2 equals, well, to 1080 divided by 180. And that's equal to 6. All right. And then adding 2 to both sides of the equation, and you got the answer, which is 8. So this is an octagon. Octagon. So you got a polygon with 8 sides. All right. Let's go to another problem. Now you got a regular polygon. It's a polygon with congruent sides and angles. Find the measure of x and y. So the key over here, guys, is a regular polygon. They're telling you a regular polygon has congruent sides and angles. So basically, if this is x, this angle is x, well, this one is also x, this one is also x, this is also x, and this is also x. And these sides are all equal to each other because it's a regular polygon. That's a definition for you guys. Now, we need to put it together, right? First of all, we need to find out what is the addition of all of the angles inside a pentagon. So we're going to be using the same formula. N minus 2 times 180. So n is the number of sides, that's 5, minus 2 times 180, 3 times 180 gives you 540 degrees. So that's all of the addition of the angles. So you got x plus x plus x plus x plus x equals to 540. So that's a total of 5x's. So I can write down as 5x, right, equals to 540. So now I can find out what is the measurement of angle x, and let me move it up a little bit. Divide both sides by 5, and that should give you, I don't know, let's use the calculator. 540 divided by 5, 108. So 108 degrees, 108. So 108, 108, 108, 108, and 108 add up to 540. And now finally we have to find out what is y. That's the stereo angle. Now, if you guys notice here, I'm looking at this, okay, we got a linear pair, okay? This is x and this is y. Guess what? All of these together add up to 180. They are supplementary. So basically, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. X is 108. We solve for y by subtracting 108 to both sides, and your answer for y should be 72 degrees. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and please, if you have questions, ask me anytime, and also don't forget to do the assignments.